Moving on to the seventh question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. It is given that T11 is 38 and T16 is 73, and we are asked to find the 31st term, which is T31. We are making the equations with the given data. T11 is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Here the n value is 11. So A plus n minus 1, 11 minus 1 into D is equal to 38. So A plus 10D is equal to 38, making this as the first equation. And also it is also given that the 16th term T16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into D is equal to 73. So A plus 16 minus 1 is 15D is equal to 73, making this as the second equation. So this forms a pair of linear equations in two variables. So you have already seen how to handle linear equations in two variables in 9th standard. So this is a new topic which we'll be doing in the later session. So as of now, I'll tell you how to handle this situation. So I'm placing the first equation below the second one, taking this here. So A plus 10D is equal to 38. I'm placing it here. A plus 10D is equal to 38. Just below the second equation, A plus 15D is equal to 73. Now we are going to subtract these equations, subtracting first equation from the second one. So for that, first step is we are going to change the signs of the second equation, which means if it is in positive, we'll change it into negative. If it is in negative, we'll change it into positive. So as of now, everything is in positive. I'm changing everything into negative here, putting the sign just below the letters or variables. So now adding these two equations, A minus A is 0, 15D minus 10D is 5D equal to 73 minus 38 is equal to 35. So this is how you will be solving the pair of linear equations in two variables. So 5D is equal to 35, or D is equal to 35 divided by 5, which is 7. So with this, we can find the value of common difference, and we can also find the value of first term A by substituting this value in either of these two equations, either first one or second one. Now I'm substituting the D value in the first equation. A plus 10 into D value is 7 is equal to 38. A plus 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. I'm taking this 70 to the other side. Our A is equal to minus 32. So the first term of the AP is minus 32. You can substitute this D value in the second equation also, and you will get the same result. And we are asked to find the 31st term. So T31 is equal to A plus 31 minus D minus 1 into D, or which is equal to minus 32 plus 30 into 7. A value is minus 32, 31 minus 1 is 30, and D value is 7. So 30 into 7 is 210, minus 32 is 178. So the 31st term of the AP is 178. Eighth question and ninth question are similar to question number 7, and I want you to solve it on yourself. Do it as assignment. Moving on to the 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. We don't have any other information. The 17th term can be represented as T17, which exceeds the 10th term, which means T10 plus 7 gives you T17. So T17 is equal to T10 plus 7 is the required equation. So putting formulas for each term here, T17 is A plus 17 minus 1 into D, and T10 is A plus 10 minus 1 into D plus 7 here. So A and A gets cancelled on both the sides. 17 minus 1 into D is 16D, which is equal to 10 minus 1 into D, which is 9D plus 7. So taking this 9d to the other side, we have 16d minus 9d is equal to 7, which is 7d is equal to 7, or d is equal to 1. We are asked to find the common difference, and this is the solution. Moving on to the 11th question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 goes on will be 132 more than the 54th term? So we have an AP here, 3, 15, 27, 39 and goes on. And we are asked to find the nth term, which is 132 more than the 54th term. So for that, we have to find the 54th term first. So let the nth term be 132 more than the 54th term. It is given that A is equal to 3 and the common difference D is equal to 15 minus 3, which is 12, or 27 minus 15, which is again 12. So we know the A and D value now. So we are asked to find the nth term. So for that, we are finding the 54th term first. T54 is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. 3 plus n value is 54 minus 1 into D value is 12. So 3 plus 53 into 12. So 3 plus 636. So the 54th term is 639. So now we have found the 54th term. So it is given that the nth term is 132 more than the 54th term. So Tn is equal to T54 plus 132. So T54 is 639 plus 132, which is 771. So Tn is equal to 771. So with this, we are asked to find the value of n. So Tn is equal to 771, which means A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 771. Substituting the known values, A is equal to 3, n minus 1 keeping it as it is, D is equal to 12 is equal to 771. So taking this 3 to the other side, n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 771 minus 3, which is 768. So n minus 1 is equal to 768 divided by 12. I am taking this 12 to the other side. So 768 divided by 12 is 64. So n minus 1 is equal to 64, n is equal to 64 plus 1, or n is equal to 65. So the 65th term is 132 more than the 54th